Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, May 29th. Today you're going to be focusing on page 784, 785, and 786. You're going to be focusing on lesson 8. All right, so lesson 8 takes into what we learned on Wednesday, which is the word partition. Remember, partition means equal parts. So today we're going to be taking the rectangle and we're going to be counting the area in between. When you get to third grade, this is going to be called the area. The area is the inside part. But for what we do in second grade, we're just counting the equal parts. So let's see what it says here. It says rectangles can be partitioned into equal size squares. Partition means equal parts. You can count the squares to describe its size. Now, one of the things that we're going to look at the patterns icon, and we're going to count this. Well, right off the bat, I know there's 8 squares, but there's some ways I can do it. Instead of sitting here going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I can work a couple different ways. I can work in pairs, or I can count in fours. So if I go 2, 4, 6, 8, or 4 plus 4 is 8, 4, 8. Let's look at this one here. This one's broken up into, if we come down, we can go 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4, 8, 12. Or we can go count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. I get the same answer. There's 12 squares. All right, so let's look at what you're going to be doing here. You're going to be counting the inside part. So in this first one, number 1, I see, I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I see 10 squares. Now you're going to be doing the same thing for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to let you do that. Now let's look at Talk Math here. Talk Math says, explain how you would partition a rectangle into 6 equal size squares. Well, you know what? I went through ahead of time, kind of made some marks since I'm videoing this. And so the first one, I'm going to do a double decker. So I'm going to break it up into thirds, and then I'm going to cut it in half. So I have 2, 4, 6. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to break them up into going long ways here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 in that one as well. Okay, so let's look at our next page. So what are you going to do here? Count the squares. So 8 and 7 and 8 are very similar. Number 9 and 10, it says use color tiles to cover each rectangle. Write how many tiles were used. Well, the first one, what I want you to do, in number 9, I want you to break this up into 8 tiles. So I'm going to let you partition number 9 into 8 tiles. Number 10, I want you to partition this into 5 tiles. So I'm going to give you the answer, but I want you to partition. I want you to draw 8 equal parts for this one, and number 10, I want you to draw 5 equal parts for that one. All right, let's look at the last part. 11 and 12. You have word problems. Underline what you're given. Circle the question. Same thing with number 12. Underline what you're given. Circle the question. And then I want you to show your work right here. This is where you show your work. Show your work right here. All right, write math. Explain 2 ways to partition a rectangle into 4 equal parts. So you're going to tell me, look, using this, and you're going to write about it. You can draw it, but you have to explain how you broke a rectangle up in 2 different ways into 4 equal parts. All right, so I want you to write about it. You'll probably need 2 sentences. All right, other than that, let me know through Dojo if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. All right. Take care. Bye.